And welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and in today's video I am doing a collaboration with my bestie little Crafty kitty. We made our dolls some little 4th of July treats. I don't know what's going to be in her video, but in my video I'm going to try and explain to you how I made the treats, kinda. I'm not really good at explaining things, okay, because words are hard. But anyways, I did plan on taking my dolls outside, and I plan on doing a lot, and then it just got way too hot. Like, I hate summer. I want it to disappear. I want spring to disappear. I just want fall. I love winter too, but I just want fall all year long, okay? But we've got many more months left of this heat, and it's disgusting. But anyways, like I said, I had planned to take my dolls outside, take some cool pictures, make a lot more things, but it's too hot. So I did make a milkshake. And it's a lot different in the video, and I like the one that I show you how to do in the video a lot more than this one, but it is still cute. And then I show you how to make this ice cream cone. This ice cream cone did turn out a lot better than the one that's in the video. And then I love the cake. This one is the first cake, and it does look kind of better than the second one that I made, which I show in the video of how to make it, except for the liquid clay was seeping through at that point. But anyways, I do think they're really cute, and I definitely love making clay items, just not when it's so hot. Just not when it's so hot. No, it's gross. But anyways, so I had, my phone is dying. Great. So the flash went off. Sorry. But anyway, so my my Beanie Babies back there, they're actually 4th of July bears. So that's cool. I thought I had a little one that was going to take really cute pictures. Yeah, I can't find it. So anyways, I'm going to stop rambling and let you guys enjoy the video. Or at least try to enjoy the video. Try not to skip it. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. That's totally fine. I don't care. But anyways, I do try to explain how I made the treats. But back to the video. So take 2 for this voiceover. Right now I'm going to show you how to make the cake. I'm taking a bottle cap. I am baking the bottle cap. You do not have to do this, but I did. So I'm recycling, y'all. So right now I'm taking some white clay. I'm smearing it all over that bottle cap as nice as I possibly can. So anyways, when I had first made this cake, I did it nicer. I snaked a blue and red together, and then I just added on the top and the bottom. You can add texture with your needle tool or whatever, or your dotting tool. Now I'm showing you how I made those little canes that were on top of the cake, and it was red, white, and blue, and then I had stacked them, and then I had rolled it into like something that kind of looked like a cinnamon roll. This is not a cinnamon roll, but it kind of does look like that. And then I sliced it and I baked it. So right here I'm showing you how I'm making the milkshake. So the milkshake, I'm taking another red, white, and blue snakes, and I am twisting them, and then I'm just going to add it into the cup, and then I'm going to use my dotting tool to shove it in there. So then this way it has a nice little marbled effect, which is like really cool, because milkshakes are delicious and really cool sometimes when they have like swirls. Then I'm going to roll out a white snake, double it, and twist it to make the whipped cream, because I don't have any of those fancy little gadgets. No, this is all handmade, y'all. So at this point, it's like take 5 for the voiceover. But anyways, I'm making the ice cream cone. It's yellow, white clay, blah, blah, blah. I flattened it, I rolled it, I added some, I want to say seasoning, but it's not seasoning. I just added some chalk pastel to it. And then I stacked on some colored clay. Words are hard. Oh my gosh, I stacked on some blue ball clay. That's liquid clay right there. Okay, just... oh my gosh, words are hard. Okay, so this is what I did. And the first time I did it, I baked it, and then I did it again with the white, and then I baked it, and then the red, I baked it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Definitely check the description box down below to go check out little Crafty Kitty's video. Bye!